Hey guys, you're welcome again to my channel. My name is Torera. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pregnancy body butter and belly butter. Now, I'm making this for a friend. I'm not pregnant personally, but if you have a friend or if you are pregnant or you know someone who is pregnant, this will be a perfect gift for the person. This belly and body butter I've been making for my friend who is pregnant since almost like her early pregnancy, and she said it's really been helping with her belly and stretch marks. Maybe that's up to genes. I know that genetics plays a big part, but also keeping your body hydrated and moisturized during this critical period is of utmost importance. I really hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. We are starting off with the body butter, and you're going to need a bunch of things. You're going to need cocoa butter, shea butter, coconut oil, pure natural vitamin E oil, the sweet almond oil. I quite like this oil, and I'm using peach kernel. It's something I just discovered and I love the texture, so really beautiful. And I'm using a combination of 3 essential oils, Neroli, lavender and frankincense. First thing I do is to measure. I have a standard measurement for my shea butter or my body butter, which makes it come out consistently. So I like to use that measurement because it just saves me time. But feel free to convert in the description box below the measurement to maybe spoonfuls if you don't have, or cupfuls if you don't have a standard kitchen scale. So I'm just measuring out all the oils. The exact quantity will be in the description box below, and then I'm taking it off to melt. Now once it's melted, it should look like this. Remember to not only melt in a double boiler. Don't melt with direct heat, please. Now we're taking this off so that it can cool down. You can also put it in the fridge. As you can see here, now it's obviously changed color, so now it's time to whisk. Now people always ask me, how long should I whisk for? Now I can't really tell you, but I say use your eyes. The thing is, it goes from yellow to like a lighter yellow to a really fluffy white, and that's when you know that your belly butter is absolutely ready, and it will be so fluffy and will remain fluffy. I love making belly butter. Why am I saying belly butters? Body butter. So that's how you know. And as you can see how fluffy the texture is, it just looks like something good enough to eat. Now I just use a spoon to scoop it in a container of choice, and that is that. Here I'm just showing you the consistency of the butter. It melts on contact with the skin, but when you rub it well, it absorbs pretty well into the skin. Let's move on to the belly balm. This is what my friend uses all the time on her belly. Here, I'm not going fancy with the kitchen scale. What I'm just using is spoons. So I'm using 2 spoonfuls of everything. Remember that the measurement is in the description box below. So here I've just used some shea butter. I've used some mango butter, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil here, which is very essential. And then here I'm using some cocoa butter as well. Now remember also to put some beeswax. I use about 2 tablespoons of beeswax, but I didn't show that here. Melt it, double boiler, and then use these 2 essential oils. They're so important. That's Neroli and frankincense. Neroli and frankincense, especially Neroli, help with stretch marks. So put a generous amount in and mix thoroughly with it. And once you're done with that, pour it into your container of choice and let it sit. And it will harden and become this beautiful, nice balm. I really hope you guys found this helpful, and I hope you try it. It's amazing. Even if you're not pregnant, this will be a great way to moisturize your body. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.